to share something with you. And I want you to go and help me out and follow. I want to like to know it. So, no more me no more me putting a ton of links everywhere. I'm going to have one central place where I'm going to put all this good stuff that we love and like. Makeup, cute little outfits, cute little dresses. Only all on one place. So, get your phones out. Let's do this together. I'm going to wait for you. I got my phone right here. I'm going to wait. Get your phone. Alright, so if you got an Android or if you got an iPhone, go ahead and go into your app store and type in search Liketoknow it. It's going to be let me make sure I got it right. It's going to be a app with a circle, a black background with white logo, a little heart in the middle. Go ahead and download that app. Download the app. Once the app comes in, sign up, make you an account. Boom, you ready to rock and roll. Look for me. I am Keli B. Go ahead and follow. There, I'm going to have all the cute little dresses and things like that. I wasn't able, if you go ahead and you're looking up there now, I wasn't able to put a lot of the dresses that I did a video in my little summer cute dresses. I wasn't able to put all those dresses in the Liketoknow it because a lot of dresses were sold out. So you don't want something that's sold out. You want something that's pretty much there. Or if I can find something similar, I can definitely do that as well. But I wasn't able to find anything like that. So now that I know how to work the whole app, I can put that information up there for you. So now you go ahead, like I mentioned, go ahead and follow. I need 10 of you lovely ladies to go do that. Thank you, 10 times. Thank you. So that's where we're going to be. But now, if you're on your computer, just go ahead and go to Liketoknow in your Google browser, Safari, whatever you have, Firefox, all the good stuff. Go ahead and just go to the browser bar, put that information up there, do the same steps, make your account. It's maybe a couple of questions, your name, email, maybe your date of birth, where you live, like, you know, they want this the city, something like that, city and state. Put that information in, and then you look for me, I am Keli B, and then go ahead and follow me. And I'll have all the information. So now let me let you know how it works. So say if I had the two-piece number that I with a gray, like a little lounge set that I had on. It was gray and it had some sneakers on. If you go ahead and you heart that, like, let me see here. Here it goes, here. You probably can't because it's light. I have light here. I have light here. You're not going to be able to see it. But, let's see here. Here's my account. You probably can't see it. See? So, this right here is my last Instagram picture that I actually put up. And I tagged that particular outfit. So, if you like that skirt, that maxi skirt with that actual crop top. And I, you know, I'm just getting into crop tops and whatnot. I don't like tight crop tops. It may look tight, but trust me when I tell you, if you see me in person, it is not squeezing my body. Because I have a limit to where I'm going to go. Okay? So, you click on that particular picture, and then boom, here goes the outfit. You can't see because the light and the light. Okay, so there's the outfit. That's me. If you go ahead and you heart those outfits, the email gonna come right. You're gonna get an email straight to your inbox letting you know the information on each outfit. Or you just click on it and boom, it'll take you to the website to where I got everything. In this particular picture, you don't see my feet, but another picture you do see my feet. And I got those flip-flops about 2 years ago, and they done off, so I didn't even want to tag those flip-flops. But I'm going to get some more. I love, like, you know, slide-on shoes and stuff like that. I get mine from, it's not Saks, was it Off the Fifth, something like that? If you guys know, correct me. That's where I get a lot of my, my slides or my flip-flops, things like that. I get a lot of them from there. So, yeah, your girl is on Liketoknow it. So, I want to let you guys know, I want to do a very formal video letting you guys know, letting you guys know how to get to me, letting you guys know how you can get all these cute items and everything like that. So, I'm going to leave that link down below for you so you can get right to it if you're on your Keli. If you're on your computer, you're on your iPad or any type of tablet, or if you're on your Android or your iPhone, this link will get you right there, okay? So yeah, I want to do a quick little, what you call it, tutorial to let you guys know how to get some I like to know. And I hope you guys join me and follow and whatnot, so we can all kind of keep everything all close together. So I want to say hey to all my new subscribers, hey to all my loyals. Thanks for hanging out. I'm gonna catch you next video. Bye.